with you.
Hey, Glazers came back. Check it out. Today I'm making a classic Greek salad. Yeah. Kalamata olives. Yes, Greek olives. Yep. Now, the difference between the Kalamata olives and the other olives, they're not as tart, right? So they're subtle. So I know you're going to enjoy those. Cucumbers, the onions, the works. And we're going to make a dressing for it. This is what we got. I know you saw the thumbnail. Look how easy this is. Hey, this is Shrashira. That's the best elevator music I ever heard. Okay, so this salad is real simple. So here we have about 1/4 cup of lemon juice. We have 1/4 cup of olive oil. We have some Kalamata olives. If you don't have those or you can't find those, these Greek olives, you could use black olives. Or if you have to, you can use the regular green olives. It's up to you. Have some feta cheese, as much as you like. That's what makes this salad so good. Use as much as you like. We have a couple tablespoons of red wine vinegar here. Just over a teaspoon of pepper, just over a teaspoon of salt. Back here we have our red onion. We have our cucumber. Now in the cucumber I've taken the seeds out and I've removed a couple strips of the skin because the skin can get kind of tough. If you've eaten cucumbers, you know what I'm talking about. It's tough. So you want to get rid of some of that fibrous material. I have 1 small green bell pepper that I've, cut up a little bit, remove the membrane and seeds. And then I have some salad tomatoes, little grape tomatoes that we're going to be using for the salad. Okay, so now what we want to do is we're just going to quickly make the dressing and then we're going to work with the vegetables. All right, so what I have here is a little container that we're going to start building our dressing with. So we're going to take our lemon juice, pour it in. Our olive oil goes in. Our pepper, our salt, and our red wine vinegar goes in. It's just that easy. Then we're going to put the lid on this. And this is why I use a container. You could use a whisk and put it in a bowl, but in a container you put the lid on it and you can just shake it up. Right? Work smarter, not harder, right? So shake it up, make your dressing. Right? Doesn't take long. And look at that. It's all mixed up and ready to go. So we're going to sit this in the fridge till we're ready to use it. Now for the vegetables, I have a bigger bowl here. And as I cut these up, we're going to add them to the bowl. So now the tomatoes, I'm just cutting them in half. I happen to like these little tomatoes, so I'm using quite a bit. Cut them in half, right in the bowl. Our bell pepper, you want to cut them thin, right? I mean, I cut them thin. If you want to cut them thick, hey, cut them thick. It's your salad. Use as much or as little as you want. For example, if my middle daughter was coming over, I use a lot more of the green because she loves green bell peppers. Cucumbers. Now with the cucumbers, you can cut them like that, right? Throw them in, or you can cut it in half. But I like the bigger or the longer kind of slices of it. I just cut them thin, you see. Well, you can cut them thick if you want. In fact, most of the Greek salads, they are cut thick. Now the onions, you want to cut the onions thin. You don't want thick pieces of onion. And this little centerpiece here, I normally don't use that. I just use the outer rings. For me, those give me the best flavor. So I pop out the little middle piece, just use the outer sections. Separate them, put them in there. Again, add as much or as little as you like. You just have to remember who you're cooking for. And another reason why I cut the onions thin, I like red onions, but I cut them thin because if you cut them too thick and you bite down on a big hunk and chunk of onion, you know, a lot of people don't appreciate that. Now we want to add our Kalamata olives. Right? Now we mix. Mix it all together. Let's get this plated up now. Okay, now to plate this up, you just take your vegetables that you mixed up, put them in a little bowl, little salad bowl. And take your feta cheese across the top. Again, this is to taste. And you are ready to go. Now you notice I didn't put the dressing on it. The reason I didn't do it is because I want the person eating to add their own dressing. Yeah, so let's see what we got. There we go, your classic Greek salad. Oh yeah, Kalamata olives, the cucumber, the onions, tomatoes. Oh man. Got the vinaigrette there, the dressing. You know this is good. If you like this, give me a thumbs up. Hey, share me out if you can. If you're not part of the Peanut Gallery, hey, hit the subscribe button. Click the notification bell. You know our arms are open. And we'll leave the light on for you so you can always find your way home, even in the dark. Also, if we're not connected on Instagram, go to Instagram, put my name in, Shrashira. Look for the gray cat, and let's connect. That being said, I'm about to get in on this. Hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the rest of your day.